In this video, we're going to talk about higher order functions. We're going to learn what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to write better code. So what is a higher order function? Well, it's a function where you can pass another function as an argument or return a function from that initial function. Let's take a look at a couple examples. Let's create a new function that doubles each element of an array. Let's create another function that squares every element of a given array. Next, let's create a higher order function where we can pass an array and a function as an argument. This function prints out the original array. It applies the argument function to each element of the array. It console logs the modified array and finally returns the modified array. Now we can use our print original and modified function, pass in an array and pass in a function, in this case a square each element function, as the second parameter. When we run the code, we get the modified array as well as the original array printed out in our console. We can do the same thing with the double each element function. We can also compose these functions. For example, we can take an array and double each element of that array and then square each element of the resulting array. So how is this useful? Well, first of all, it's extremely easy to add new features when using the higher order function pattern. For example, let's say we want to divide each element of an array by 2 and then print the original elements and then print the modified elements. So in this case, all we do is we create a new function that divides all the elements of an array by 2. And then we just plug this function into our higher order function. So it makes your code modular. You have the smaller functions which are easier to maintain and debug. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.